right, so special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us a 50-pack of disposable coffee cups with lids. These are 16 ounces, as you can see, and that's the company name there. That's just a photo on the front, same little sticker on the top, nothing on the bottom. Side, just disposable coffee cup. People using it. Same over here. So let's open this on up. And let's see. Oh, you even get the, whoa, that's awesome. So you even get the little holders. Sweet. So we have 50 lids. We have even, wow, even the stirrers / straws. Holy crap. Okay. There's the other 25 of those. And other 25 of the coffee cups. And that's it for the box. So this is pretty sweet. We have 50 included coffee stirrers here, nicely wrapped up. Then 50 of the sleeves, nicely wrapped up. Very nice. Take out one of those, we'll need it. Here's the other 25. And then of course we have 50 lids for the, and they got those. I love those. Awesome. And then lastly, 50 16-ounce coffee cups. You'd of course have your coffee cup, your lid, a straw if you're interested in that, or the stir, little straw as well, and then the sleeve to protect your hands. So there we go. That's essentially everything that would come inside of this. Perfect for a family who likes using disposable coffee cups, or maybe uses them on the go because they're leaving every morning, but also great for an office who may be offering coffee to their employees. So this is everything that comes inside of here. All feels like normal quality that you'd get at a gas station or something like that. No complaints. Should hold your hot coffee with no problems. So that'll do it for this video. Thanks again to this company for sending them to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.